guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is going to be from October the 15th through October the 21st. And what I'm doing this week is another classic movie. The name of the movie is It Started With a Kiss, and it's starring Glenn Ford and Debbie Reynolds, and it is a romantic comedy. It's really funny. And I made my own stickers, and then I chose this paper for my spread. I'm going to use this, and then this is going to be my dominant paper. And I really love this paper. I think it's really pretty. And then I'm going to put this washi in with it. I got this washi at Michael's in a tube. And then this paper actually came from Walmart. It was $5, and it's double-sided, so I love that paper. And I'm going to be using just a Papermate Sharpie right here. Okay, so let me take my pages out of my planner, and we'll get started. Okay, I've decided that I want this paper to be my dominant one, so I'm going to cut it first. But it's a really cute romantic comedy, like I said. Glenn Ford plays Joe as sergeant in the Air Force, and he doesn't have much money at all. And he meets this nightclub singer played by Debbie Reynolds. And her name is Maggie. And she is selling tickets to win this car at this event. And he is trying to just meet her, basically. So he buys tickets to win the car, and he ultimately ends up winning this car. And this car, it's so neat because it's a 1955 Lincoln, and it's the one that became Batman and Robin's car. So I think that's pretty neat. Okay, let's start putting our paper down how we want it. But I think this is going to be a really cute spread, very funny. I kind of made it elegant in one way and whimsical in another way. So I think it's going to be really cute. Okay, I think that is really bright and cheerful and cute. Okay, so let's start putting our paper down. And like I said, I love this paper being double-sided. You can make a planner very inexpensively by the time you get Walmart paper for $5, and then you make your own stickers, or you use the Dollar Tree stickers. And then Walmart has stickers that are like, some of them are 99 cents, so you don't have to spend a lot of money. I think that's cute. Okay, let's start putting our washi down. But like I said, this is a romantic comedy, so I wanted it kind of very upbeat, but I'll show you where the slightly elegant part's coming in at. But yeah, he's in the movie, so I wanted to keep it to where it would represent him as well. Oh, I think that's cute. I like this washi. It's really tearing nicely. I like it when it does that. Okay, and I think what I'm going to do is take it right down through here. Clean it up a little bit. That way it'll look a little neater, and then I'm going to put one more little piece right in there. I think that looks much more finished. Okay, now we'll start putting down our stickers. Now this is just how the DVD looks. It started with a kiss. And I'm going to put it up here like I always do. And then here is the party that she's at where they're trying to sell this car for donation. And she's selling the tickets. And she's looking at it. And then here he comes in, Glenn Ford, and he is trying to talk to her. And she really isn't interested because she's only after money. She really doesn't believe in love. She thinks money is the key to happiness. And he's trying his best to get a date with her, so he buys a ticket for the car. She tried to sell him more, but he only wanted one. And here he gets her to finally go out with him. And they're sitting there talking, and that's when she tells him that love is just highly overrated. Okay, and then here, this is where the name of the movie comes from. It started with a kiss. He just goes over and kisses her. And from there, it's totally over. They get married that night. Okay, and then here they are the next morning. And he's about to have to go to work. So he gets transferred to an Air Force base in Spain. And she comes with him, and he doesn't know that he's won the car yet, and she has the car shipped over there. And she's pretty headstrong about things. And here they are in the apartment, and she's thrilled to be with him, but they're not there long before they get into an argument because she thinks that they got married way too soon. And so she tells him that they can live together, but they need to get to know each other better. So there she is in the car. Everywhere they go, everybody stops and looks at this car because it's so unusual and beautiful. Okay, and you can see that right here the top comes up, but I was so surprised to see that was where Batman and Robin's car came from. I thought that was very interesting. Then they meet this bullfighter over there who falls in love with the car and her. So I won't tell you how it turns out because I don't want to ruin it for you. But here they are, and Ava Gabor is in this. And it's really a good movie. Okay, let me write a few things that I need to do. Okay, let's put my pages back in my planner, and then we'll take a look at it. But I think it turned out really, really cute. It's getting so full, I've got to get a new one. I'm gonna wait till they go on sale, but they always do that. Okay. Now what I did, I really do love these stickers that I made and the paper. I really do think it brings off the fun, but yet this paper has some elegance to it. And I love the washi, but what I did was I went ahead and I have a piece of scrapbook paper that I got at Michael's when they had a big sale, and it has this big, tall, beautiful glamour girl on it, and her dress, the tail was much longer, but I just cut it off and I put it on this same paper. I just glued her on there and then cut it so that it would fit in my book. And I'm going to put this over here like this. And then since the car, this is where the glamour's coming in, and since that car is such a big thing, and it is the comedy, and it is his car, I put it on this. And I'm just going to stick this right here, and like she's looking back over her shoulder at the car. But I think this spread turned out really cute. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.